Meaning of heterodoxy.
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 Heterodoxy. Heterodoxy refers to opinions, beliefs, or practices that deviate from established or orthodox doctrines or norms. It is the opposite of orthodoxy, which reflects conformity with accepted standards. Heterodox views may be considered unconventional, controversial, or even heretical within a particular context. Depending on the social, cultural, or religious norms in a given community, heterodoxy can lead to ostracism, persecution, or marginalization of individuals or groups who hold nonconformist views. However, heterodoxy can also contribute to creativity, innovation, and progress by challenging prevailing ideas and stimulating intellectual debates.